Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you how to make a drugstore dupe lip balm. So the Hemp and Shea Butter Hydration Lip Balm by Blissstix is one of my favorites. And since I love a good skincare DIY, I came up with my own version. So I did have a few hiccups and bumps along the way, but I didn't let that stop me from making this delicious lip balm. Want to see exactly how I make this Hemp and Shea Butter lip balm? Well guys, keep watching. So these are the ingredients I will be using for this lip balm. But before we get started, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I create a new video. So I love this Hemp and Shea Butter Hydration Lip Balm, but I wanted to make my own version minus some of the ingredients in the drugstore version. So the main ingredients I pulled from the drugstore version are shea butter, which is a moisturizing and I think a luxurious butter, which is probably one of the reasons why I love using it so much. The next ingredient is hemp seed oil, and this is my first time trying this particular oil. Next, I'm using jojoba oil, and the next oil is castor oil, and castor oil is a very rich oil, and it's going to add some creaminess and shine to the lip balm. I'm also adding vitamin E as well as beeswax to hold our lip balm together. So I'm going to add my own fragrance of choice and a little bit of mica. We also need lip balm tubes as well as a filling tray and a scraper. So let's start by adding in our hemp seed oil. So by the way, the recipe is in the description box below. So guys, the hemp seed oil is green, and I'm not exactly sure I was expecting it to be this color. So does this mean that the lip balm is going to come out green? Perhaps. But skincare benefits of hemp seed oil include it being extremely moisturizing and soothing for the skin. Next, let's add in some jojoba oil. So the next ingredient is castor oil. So castor oil is going to give us a very creamy and rich feel to our lip balm. So next, we're going to be adding in our beeswax. If you don't want to use beeswax, I do have another video where I made a lip balm using candelilla wax, and the link for that particular video is above. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my shea butter into the mix. And now that I have all of my ingredients, it is time to melt them all down. And as usual, I'm just placing my heat-safe container over low heat, and we're going to let this simmer just a little bit so that our butters and oils melt together. So while the butters and oils are melting, let's go ahead and set up our lip balm tray. So I had a tough time trying to set this tray up, and last time I did a lip balm video, I just poured straight from the container into my lip balm tubes. This time I thought I would use a tray, and clearly there is a technique to using this particular tray. I finally got it together, and now my tray is all set up and ready to go. So since I'm only making a small quantity of lip balms for myself, this tray comes in handy and it helps to prevent spills. So now that my butter and oil is melted, I'm going to take half of the butter and oil and put it in a different container, and you'll see why in just a little bit. So I'm adding in my vitamin E. And now it's time to go ahead and start filling up my lip balm tubes. And you kind of have to work fast because, of course, since there's wax in this mixture, it does tend to start to harden rather quickly. So now for the second jar of oil, I'm going to go ahead and add in some vanilla flavor and some orange flavor. So the drugstore version of this lip balm actually is pina colada, or basically coconut and pineapple, but I like vanilla and orange, so you can actually add whatever lip flavor you want. Now I'm adding in a little bit of vitamin E to this particular jar, just like I did the last jar, and I'm going to give it a stir. And then next, just because the hemp oil will possibly make the final result green, I'm going to jazz it up a little bit because I don't want all of them to come out green. So if that's going to be the end result, I'm just going to add in a little bit of pink mica just for fun, and then use my handheld whisk in order to mix it up really well. So here's another tip. Because of the wax, the lip balm can tend to harden pretty quickly. And if it looks like this before you're ready to put it into your tube, go ahead and sit it back on the stove for another minute or so, and then just let it melt again. And from there, you can go ahead, give it a stir, and it should be ready for you to go ahead and continue filling the rest of your lip balm tubes. So guys, it's been about an hour and a half, and now I'm just going to take my scraper and scrape off the top of the dried lip balm so that the tops of my lip balms are very nice and straight. And I guess that's another benefit of this filling tray. Now, let's just remove our lip balms from the tray and see what our results are. And as I thought, they did come out green because of the hemp seed oil, and the pink ones actually came out pink despite the green hemp seed oil. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and place my label onto my little lip balms, and as you can see, I have my own drugstore dupe of my Shea Butter and Hemp lip balm. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Products that I use can be found in the description box below. The recipe is also in the description box below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!